Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is the session for those who are going for LIC AAO Descriptive Examination. So mains is approaching really soon, and we all know that along with the mains exam, I mean the objective type, we have descriptive exam here to qualify. The meaning of qualify is that we just need to qualify this exam. The marks won't be added there. So you just need to score like 10, 12, the safe score you just need to get, and then the door for your next round is open here. So let's learn, like in the last session I talked about the email, the structure and the tone you need to set for. In this session today we are talking about the report writing. So let's know what are the important things for a report writing. How can you write a professional formal report according to the prompt, and we will see all the things that will help you to get the answer of this question easily. So you will get you will have to choose there, you are going to get the topics from where you need to choose. So maybe the choice can be between email and report. Whatever is the choice, pick the topic that you can nicely write on. Okay, so let's get started. A report is a formal official document created to give information to a specific audience, usually a superior like the branch manager, zonal head, regional manager. So like they ask you to write the report or to make the report, and then you write very professionally or formally. Think of it as a professional update or record. Unlike an essay, it is not about your personal opinions. Okay, it is a factual and objective account of a specific event, situation, or process. So that's why it is different from essay. In essays, you mostly talk about what you think about this, what you know. In report, you have to be very particular. Basically, there are main three things, okay? Formal tone, objective of the report, and how are you structuring it? So let's know them one by one. First of all, what should a report consist of? There should be a clear heading, a brief introduction of your report, a factual body paragraph, and a simple conclusion. Okay, it is small, it is not as big as an essay, it is little bit bigger than email. Okay, let's see the format. As it has a fixed format, so there are high chances to score like to have a high score from here, to obtain a high score. So first two, like you must be writing this report to someone. So the recipient designation, for example, the regional manager, the zonal head. Then prompt, like there is Deepa in the prompt. So Deepa, like double AO, the full form, and the branch name, like what officer you are. So you have written about your name and your designation. Then you are writing this report on the present date, so that date. And then the subject, like why are you writing this report? So be very specific. As I told you, in email writing, when you write, for banking exam like State Bank of India or for LIC, in both of these examinations, the format of the report, even the entire paper is same. Okay, let's see an example how you go ahead. Like, dear sir and ma'am, जो भी इन दोनों में से है, then the body of your report, then regards, your name and your designation. ऑल राइट, सो ये जो हमारा बॉडी वाला स्ट्रक्चर है, इसमें क्या आएगा? लाइक ठीक है, वी स्टार्टेड इन दिस वे, हमने लिख दिया दैट वी आर राइटिंग इट टू द रीजनल मैनेजर. दिस लाइक इज द नेम एंड द डेजिग्नेशन. देन मैं भेज रही हूँ, so like my name, my designation, I'm sending on today's date, and my subject is this. Salutation done. And now सबसे बड़ा पार्ट है बॉडी पैराग्राफ. उसके कंटेंट को कैसे डिजाइन करना है, कैसे स्ट्रक्चर करना है. सो इंट्रोडक्शन जब आप दे रहे हो, सबसे पहले तो आप बोलोगे कि आपकी रिपोर्ट किस चीज के बारे में है, राइट? तो सबसे पहले बॉडी पैराग्राफ में इंट्रोडक्शन आएगा. जैसे a financial literacy camp was successfully conducted by the XYZ branch on October 29th, 2025 at the local community hall. The purpose of this report is to detail the event's key highlights and outcomes. Done? ओके, नाउ की हाइलाइट्स एंड फाइंडिंग्स। तो आपने बता दिया कि भाई ये एक कैंपेन था या फिर ये एक इवेंट था जो ऐसे ऐसे करके हुआ. नाउ this is the most important part of your report. It contains the data or facts. You must be objective and factual. Using bullet points is a highly effective way to present this information clearly. जैसे कि माना कि लाइक किसी को मतलब जैसे इस कैंपेन में कितने लोग थे, तो इफ यू नो दैट डेजर्ट, लाइक जिस चीज के बारे में था, यू नो दैट टॉपिक, तो कितने लोगों ने अटेंड किया, किस टॉपिक को वहां पर लिया गया, इन चीजों को लिखने से क्या होगा, अच्छा इम्पैक्ट जाएगा. तो आपको ये क्या करने पड़ेंगे, आपको ये इन्वेंट, आई थिंक गलती से मैंने इन्वाइट बोला, आपको इसे इन्वेंट करना पड़ेगा. लाइक आपको ना यहाँ पे सोचना पड़ेगा कुछ ऐसी चीजें जिसको आप जब लिखोगे तो पढ़ने वाले को बहुत ज्यादा ना अश्योर होगा वो इस चीज को लेके कि हाँ ऐसे ऐसे किया गया. तो अगर आप पॉइंट्स में लिखते हो कि इतने लोगों ने ये कर लिया, इतने लोगों ने ये कर लिया, तो क्या होगा, इससे फैक्ट्स दिखाई देते हैं, राइट. तो एग्जाम्पल देखो, द कैंप वॉज अटेंडेड बाय ओवर 60 लोकल रेजिडेंट्स and 5 branch employees. Key presentations were delivered on the benefits of PMJJBY and PMSBY, as well as the online claim submission process. An interactive Q&A session was held where our team resolved numerous queries regarding policy lapses and renewals. Informational pamphlets and brochures were distributed to all attendees. तो कितनी सारी डिटेल्स हैं, राइट. पढ़ने वाले को क्या होगा, बिलीव होगा. So it is very important. Now let's conclude the report. First we told what was the event about, then the details of the event, and now we are concluding. So as this is your closing paragraph, just एक से दो सेंटेंस में हम इसे conclude करेंगे और दो ढाई लाइन में खत्म करेंगे, और ये पूरी रिपोर्ट को रैप करेगा, फिनिश करेगा, राइट. तो या तो आप आउटकम को समराइज कर दो या आप नेक्स्ट स्टेप को सजेस्ट कर दो. दीज आर द टू थिंग्स वी कैन डू. एग्जांपल देखते हैं. अगर सिर्फ रैप कर रहे हैं, the event was a significant success in prompting financial awareness and strengthening community relations. Feedback from the attendees was overwhelmingly positive. This is how I concluded my report. अब एक तरीका है कि हम उनको कुछ चीज सजेस्ट कर दें कि व्हाट बेटर वी कैन डू, समथिंग लाइक दैट, राइट. तो उसके लिए देखो, गिवन द हाई लेवल ऑफ एंगेजमेंट, it is recommended that such awareness camps be held on a quarterly basis to improve insurance penetration in the area. तो हमने उन्हें गाइड कर दिया कि हम इस पे और क्या कर सकते हैं, हम इस पे आगे से और ज्यादा ध्यान रख सकते हैं, दैट ऐसे इवेंट्स को और भी ज्यादा किया जा सकता है. जब इतने लोगों ने अटेंड कर लिया तो क्या पता नेक्स्ट टाइम और भी ज्यादा लोग आए, और इससे फाइनली क्या होगा, इससे प्रमोट भी हो गया होगा बिजनेस, मतलब द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हियर, राइट. सो दीज आर द टू वेज टू कंक्लूड इट, टू रैप इट. अब कुछ बातें हैं जिनका आपको ध्यान रखना है जो नहीं होनी चाहिए. नंबर 1, पर्सनल आई, प्रोनाउन आई, मी, माई, माइन, इन वर्ड्स का यूज हम नहीं करते हैं. जैसे मैंने जाके देखा कि करीब 75 लोग बहुत ही एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे थे. नो, आई सॉ नहीं, आई विटनेस नहीं, आई ऑब्जर्व नहीं, it has been observed, it was observed, right. So don't use the phrases like I think the camp was a great success, I felt the attendees were very happy, we organized a camp. No. On the other hand, like what should you do? You should go for the generic statements, right? Like the camp was successfully organized. Significant success. The camp was a significant success. The attendees appeared to be very engaged. A camp was organized and pamphlets were distributed. I am not showing what I am doing. I'm writing the report. So basically, just the findings, suggestions, observations are important things that we should put there. It is not important what I think and what I observe, right? So more than me, the thing is more important there. Okay, mistake number two. Here, the subject line is the title of your report. If you write a vague or a missing subject line, then definitely marks जाएंगे यहाँ पे. So क्या नहीं करना है, लिखना नहीं है like it's a report. Camp, my report on the event. Rather try to give some more details, but yes, keep it concise. Report on financial literacy camp held at Sitapur branch, right? Report on quarterly customer complaints, July to September 2025. Report on implementation of new CRM software. So, like, you are getting the idea what exactly you are going to get in your plate, right? Mistake number three, forgetting the formal format. See, the way when you write like, to this, from this, date, and then, no. आपको क्या करना है? इनको डालना नहीं है, इनको डालना नहीं है, बट इनकी डिटेल्स को रखना है. पहली बात, मतलब यहाँ पे आपने लिखा टू जिसको जा रहा है, like अमित खुराना, एंड देन लाइक द पोजीशन, एंड देन ये एक तो ये वाला तरीका करना है. दूसरा क्या करना है, दूसरा आपको नहीं, क्या नहीं करना है, आपको ये नहीं करना कि सीधे आपने लिखना शुरू कर दिया, दिस इज टू इन्फॉर्म यू, दिस इज टू शो यू, और आई ऑब्जर्व्ड दैट. ये भी नहीं करना और इनको भी नहीं लिखना, इनके डिटेल्स लिखने हैं, ठीक है? तो ऑलवेज follow the full format, but please don't write these points. Okay, so use the full format in this way, but without these words, and never start writing your report as the essay one. So essay nahi hai ye report, it has to be perfect with the right format. Okay, writing one giant paragraph, as I have already told you, एक बड़ा सा पैराग्राफ यहाँ पे आपको कोई हेल्प नहीं देगा. One single block of text from start to finish, no, keep it very formal in the perfect format. Start like किसको जा रहा है, कहाँ से जा रहा है, क्या है subject, then write like what exactly it was, write the key details of it, conclude or provide the suggestion. Okay, use a space or enter to list your facts, highlights. This is the easiest way to create a clean and organized look. It is absolutely important. Mistake number five, adding your own opinions or feelings. So after this survey, I have observed, or I feel now that so many things can be done like that. No, rather, the branch has seen a 15% increase in customer complaint this quarter. Naki, in my opinion, the branch staff is not working hard enough. No. Branch XYZ reported 50 customer queries regarding the new policies terms. So look, don't go with I, as I have already mentioned it, but write the generic statement. Let's see a sample question for more clarity. So you are an assistant administrative officer. खुशी हो रही होगी ना सुन के. At the Mumbai main branch of LIC, a financial literacy camp was organized at your branch. Write a report to the regional manager detailing the event. As it says detailing, all right. Let's go to the details. So first to regional manager. From us, like XYZ Assistant Administrative Officer, 1st November 2025. Report on financial literacy camp held at Mumbai main branch. Dear Sir and Madam, as we are not sure, following is a brief report on the financial literacy camp organized by the Mumbai main branch on October 29, 2025. Okay, what was there? The camp was conducted at the Andheri Community Hall from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. The primary objective was to enhance financial awareness among the local populace and promote government sponsored insurance schemes. Let's give more details. The event was well received and attended by over 75 local residents. Senior branch officers delivered a detailed presentation on the features and benefits of Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana and Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. A dedicated session was held to demonstrate the new online portal for premium payments and policy status checks. Now, information brochures and pamphlets printed in both English and Marathi were distributed to all attendees. A 45-minute interactive question and answer session was held where our team addressed numerous queries related to claim processes and policy renewal. All the details are here. Now let's conclude it. The camp was a significant success, generating strong community engagement and positive feedback. This initiative has helped in strengthening LIC's relationship with the community and promoting financial inclusion. Regards, XYZ, Assistant Administrative Officer. सो देखो इस पूरे के पूरे रिपोर्ट को कितने ही अच्छे तरीके से यहाँ पे बनाया गया है. लाइक कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ, फिर से एक बार रिवाइज करते हैं. बिल्कुल क्वेश्चन को देख लेते सिंपल तरीके से. रीजनल मैनेजर, देन like the post is here, date is here, subject is here, salutation, and then we have started it. We wrote the body paragraph according to the details that are relevant and that are needed here, and then the main big paragraph, and then we ended with a perfect conclusion and closing, right? So this is it, everyone. Do practice, go with the mock test series, because I know it is just qualifying nature, but please don't take it too lightly, because you need to get at least minimum qualifying score. For that, be very attentive and do all the things in the perfect format. Choose the topic wisely. You need to choose your comforting topic here, so be very, very careful for that, right? All right, everyone. So thank you so much. I'll see you all in the next class. Till the time, if you have any questions, any queries, please write in the comment section below. So bye bye and take care.